everybody.
Hello.
My name is Frida. Frida. Ha! I'm so happy you're here, 'cause today we are celebrating the awesome, amazing, astonishing letter A. You know, lots of different kinds of foods start with the letter A. Let's think of some. I got it! A is for apricot. Hello, apricot. You know, apricots are delicious when they're fresh or dried. Bye-bye, apricot. What other foods start with the letter A? Artichoke starts with the letter A. Hi there, artichoke. Wow, look at those leaves. Have you ever tried an artichoke?
Yes.
They're good. Oh, there they go. A is also for acai berry. Hi, little berries. Acai berries are full of antioxidants. Hey, that's another A word. Ha! Whoa, they're bouncing away. Bye-bye, berries. A is also for anchovy. Hello, anchovy. A little fish in the big ocean. Swim on, mighty anchovy. Swim on.